Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Knowledge Academy of Mathematics. Today our second lecture is about group theory and our topic is that Klein 4 group. In this lecture we will study about Klein 4 group. What is Klein 4 group? How do we prove given group is a Klein 4 group and how much property Klein 4 group? First we will define Klein 4 group. In a Klein 4 group, there are basically three properties in a Klein 4 group. First property is that group of 4 element. Okay, group of 4 element. And the second property is that each element, each non-identity element is a self-inverse. Mean each non-identity element is a self-inverse. And the third property is that by composing the any two non-identity element, give the third non-identity element of this group is called a Klein 4 group. Okay, and there are three properties in a Klein 4 group. First property is there is a four element in a group, and the second property is each non-identity element is a self-inverse, and the third property is that by composing the two non-identity element, give the third non-identity element of this group is called Klein 4 group. Okay. For example, a group in which every non-identity element is self-inverse. Okay, and by multiplying any two non-identity element, we get the third element of this group is called Klein 4 group. For example, UZ8 unit element Z8k. Okay, 1, 3, 5 and 7. We want to show that UZ8 is a Klein 4 group. Unit element, how can we define unit element? UZN is equal to A belong to Zn such that GCD of A and N is equal to 1 is called a unit element. Okay, UZ8 is equal to 1, 3, 5 and 7. So if we want to show this is a Klein 4 group. Klein 4 group, there are two steps. First, self-inverse, and the second step is by composing the two non-identity element, give the third non-identity element. So 1 square is equal to 1.1. 1.1 mean 1 mod of 8. 1 is the identity. 3 square is mean 3.3. 3.3 mean 9. 9 is equal to 1. 1 is equal to 1 mod of 8. 5 square is equal to 5.5 is equal to 25 is equal to 1 mod of 8, and 7 square is equal to 7.7 is equal to 1 mod of 8. This shows that each element in UZ8 is a self-inverse. Okay, and the second step is that by multiplying any two non-identity element, give the third non-identity element of this group. So if we multiply 3.5 is equal to 15 is equal to 7 mod of 8. Okay, 3 and 5 multiply and give us 7 and 7 is the third non-identity element. Similarly, 3.7 is equal to 21 is equal to 5 mod of 8, and the 5.7 is equal to 35 means 3 mod of 8. From above calculation multiplication in this table, we show that multiplication of any two non-identity element give the third element of this group. So all the property in is full satisfied. So the given group UZ8 is a Klein 4. UZ8 is a Klein 4 group. Okay, and our next topic is about GCD and unit element. How do we find GCD and how do we find unit element in a group? Okay, if you feel any assistance or any query, then you can contact me via email or via comments box. Okay, Allah Hafiz.